I got my new graphics card today. It got delivered finally. I ordered it on the 19th of May, and it finally arrived today. I really wanted to get the RTX, but that was like $500 Canadian plus tax for the cheapest one I could find. This one cost me $280 with tax. So this is much more affordable for me. This is almost the same speed as the RTX card. So this is kind of a newer card. Don't need that. This is what I want. Jesus, this thing's huge. That's a good graphics card. I'm really happy with this. Now to install this. That's kind of messy in there. And I have to find a screwdriver now. I'm just guessing. Right now I can already tell. Because this current graphics card I have has a VGA slot. My new graphics card does not have this. Just HDMI. So I'm gonna have to be lucky and have some sort of HDMI cord around somewhere. Jeez, this thing's a monster. These cords are going to be a problem. Get in there. can see what I'm doing. Success. I think I know what I'm doing. Or maybe, yeah, this one. Jesus. I wish I had a magnetic screwdriver. Hey, at least I know how to do this stuff, kinda. Wow. I think Linus Tech Tips would think this is a mess or something. Whatever. So now I just have to get the latest drivers. Now to install the graphics drivers. I know AMD had their version of a card similar to this, and it actually had 8 gigabytes of RAM, which this only has 4. Except this one operates at a much lower wattage, so it consumes a lot less watts. So I think it's much better for that, and less noisy. Now the waiting game. I think that about covers it. Restart the computer. And yes, I'm using Windows